Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin, and if you are a Picoin miner, this is an important update you don't want to miss. The Picoin is officially launching on the 20th of February, which is just around the corner. But I know a lot of people are still struggling with the KYC verification and migrating their coins to their wallet. And if that sounds like you, then bring your mind down. Because in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy solution to ensure your coins are successfully migrated before the launch. So stay with me till the end. Now before we dive in, I would love you to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. With that being said, let's get down to business. Now first thing first, open your Pi Network app. Click on the hamburger at the very top left corner of your screen. Now click on Minute. Click on Minute Checklist. Now when you click on the Minute Checklist, you're going to see a page like this. And the first thing you want to do is to make sure you download the Pi browser. Alright, so if you don't have the Pi browser, go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download the Pi browser app. When you are done, you come back to the app and click on Create a Pi Wallet. Alright, now when you click on Create a Pi Wallet, it will take you to the Pi browser and create a wallet. Alright, so when you are done with that, you come back here and click on Confirm your Pi Wallet. When you are done confirming your Pi Wallet, you click on Commit a Lockup Configuration. And this is the part where you have to lock up some part of your coin. Alright, when you are done, you click on Secure your account. Then next, you click on Sign Acknowledgement to receive completed token. And these things are very easy to do. Now the next step is to submit your KYC application. Alright, this is where you submit your KYC. You can either use your NIN, international passport, your voter's card, or your driver's license. Alright, so when you are done, you wait for your KYC result. You wait for them to verify your KYC. After which your coin will be migrated to your wallet. Alright, now when you have done all these things and your coin is still not migrated to your wallet, then you don't have to worry. All you have to do is to go back to the home page. Now go back to the home page. Now click on this hamburger sign again. Click on your profile. Now scroll down and locate password. Right. Now all you have to do is click on Update Password. Just click on it to update your password. Alright, after which your coin will be migrated after 24 hours. Now after 24 hours and your coin is still not migrated, all you have to do is click on this hamburger sign again. Click on Minute. Click on Checklist, Minute Checklist. Now click on Confirm Pi Wallet. Now, I know you have done this before, but you have to do this again because this was what I did. Alright, and my coin was migrated after 24 hours. All you have to do is click on Confirm your Pi Wallet. When you click on it, they are going to ask you to input your passphrase. Alright, the passphrase they gave you when you were creating your wallet. Now if you have forgotten your passphrase, all you have to do is head over to your Pi browser. Click on Wallet. Now, since you are forgetting your passphrase, all you have to do is unlock with Face ID or password. So I'm going to unlock this with my Face ID. Okay, let me just use my password. Alright, now click on the settings icon here. Then I click on Show My Passphrase. Now when you click on this Show My Passphrase, it's going to show you your passphrase. Alright, so I don't want to click on it right now because if I click on it, you are going to see my passphrase and you can access my wallet with that. So when you click on it, to show you your passphrase, what you have to do is copy it. When you copy it, you go back to your Pi app. Then you click on Confirm your Pi Wallet and paste that passphrase there. Click on Confirm. When you click on Confirm, your coin will be migrated within 24 hours. And this is what I and my team have been doing, and it has been working perfectly for us. So you try it out and give me your feedback in the comment section.